Welcome! If you're looking to keep your private information safe while streaming, Discord's Streamer Mode is the perfect tool. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to enable the automatic update for Streamer Mode on the Discord app for PC using the latest update. Let's get started. First, open up the Discord app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Now, look at the bottom left corner of your Discord window. You'll see your username and avatar. Right next to that is a gear icon. This is your user settings. Click on the gear icon to open up your settings menu. Once you're in the settings, take a look at the left sidebar. Scroll down until you find the section called App Settings. Under this section, you'll see an option labeled Streamer Mode. Click on Streamer Mode to open its settings. Inside the Streamer Mode settings, you'll see several options. The one we're focusing on today is called Automatically Enable Disable. This feature is designed to make your life easier by turning Streamer Mode on or off automatically when Discord detects streaming or recording software like OBS or XSplit running on your PC. To enable this, simply toggle the switch next to Automatically Enable Disable. Once it's turned on, Discord will automatically activate Streamer Mode whenever it detects compatible streaming software. This means your personal information, invite links, and notifications will stay hidden while you're live. No need to remember to turn it on yourself. If you want to customize your experience further, you can also adjust what Streamer Mode hides or mutes, like personal info, invite links, and notification sounds. Just use the toggles in the same menu to fit your preferences. And that's it. With these steps, you've set up Discord to automatically update Streamer Mode so you can focus on your stream without worrying about privacy slips. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and happy streaming.